You're offered a perfect 10 out of 10 body, but in the next 5 minutes you will be shot. In this situation, you'll get the body most people dream of, a perfect face, flawless skin, and defined muscles. You'll age extremely well with no excess fat regardless of what you eat. Even if the transformation is drastic, people in your life will still recognize you as you, just significantly more attractive. However, in order to receive this transformation, a man will appear within the next 5 minutes and shoot you with a 9mm beauty bullet. The shot will not hit any arteries or instantly fatal areas, but it will cause serious harm. One shot, the man will disappear without a trace. You'll be unable to call for help until after you've been shot, but once you are, you can seek medical attention to get first aid and be rushed to a hospital. You have no preparation time other than the 5 minutes before the shot. You could bleed to death if help doesn't arrive in time. Once you recover from the wound, there will be no scarring and you'll have the new body you desired. Do you take the deal, knowing you could die before help arrives, or do you pass on the offer?